This is my friend Yadu aka YPM Vlogs. He just hit 1 million subscribers and he's in Dubai right now. So I thought why not surprise him with Dubai's most expensive taxi. In order to pull this off, I'm teaming up with One Click Drive and Wellcare Limo Services. I told them to come here at Business Bay Metro Station by 2:30 and look who's here. It's 2:30 right? It's sharp 2:30 and they're here. Ah, that's crazy. Oh my god. Ooh, I was great. Guys, just imagine this car is worth 1.6 crore in India and it's a chauffeur service car here in Dubai. He just told me that Atif Aslam was in this car. When was he in this car? 6 months ago. 6 months ago, Atif Aslam was sitting here. Hugh Jackman, the guy from Wolverine, was also in this car. That's pretty epic if you'd ask me. Every car they have comes with a navigation system, a dry tissue, and it even comes with 2 water bottles. My initial plan was to take a Rolls Royce, but unfortunately someone already booked it. They have a ton of cars. If you go to their website and click on chauffeur services, you can see the list of all the 35 cars they own, ranging from a Hyundai H1 to a Rolls Royce Ghost. They even have SUVs like Cadillac Escalade, GMC Yukon, and even a Mercedes Sprinter van. Chauffeur service include fuel and Salik charges, and also it comes with a well professionally trained drivers. Yusuf bhai.
Hi guys,
Yusuf bhai, where are you from?
I'm from Kerala.
Oh, Malayalam. They're available 24/7 from any location in Dubai. Like if you guys want to book a car from Dubai and go to Ajman, they can help you with that, and even if it's 3 AM. So if you guys are interested in checking out cars with drivers, just head on to oneclickdrive.com and go to the chauffeur services and take a look at all the cars they have. A huge shout out to One Click Drive and VK for sponsoring this video. So right now we are on our way to meet YPN to surprise him with Dubai's most expensive taxi. This is beautiful. Anyway, let's go up. Wow. This place is... Just take a look at this elevator. Yeah, that's crazy. Guys, this is the one. Mr. Yadapriya Mehta.
Hey buddy, what's up?
So what's up? Are you excited? Are you excited for today?
For the car?
Yes.
Yeah, he told me yesterday that there is a car and I'm like hell excited to know what car is it.
Yesterday.
Okay, so guess who came all the way from India?
Yes.
5 PM. Bye. I have a surprise for you tomorrow.
This person is creating a hype in my mind. कल कुछ होगा tomorrow will should be something very interesting with me. Let's see क्या होता है. Because is it a car?
It's a car, but you will love it.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Because this person always surprises me with some cool things.
Do you have any clue what car it is?
Is it a luxury car?
Yeah, it's a luxury.
Rolls Royce or Bentley?
That's also Bentley. Okay.
On my back, Mercedes.
Okay, you're kind of close. Anyway,
I'm kind of close.
I'm pretty sure you'll love it. I'm pretty sure you'll love it.
Okay, where's the car?
It's downstairs. It's downstairs waiting for you with the driver.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so this is where Yadu lives at the moment, and what are we going to do right now?
We are going to Copart right now.
Copart?
Film a video.
Yes.
Yeah.
And guys, just take a look at it. This is Yadu's setup. He's having 2 cameras. This is a Sony Alpha 6600.
So this is the top of the line, and this is the best vlogging lens, Sigma, so 16mm 1.4.
Now what's the total cost of everything?
This around Indian currency is 140, 150.
141, like 1.4 lakhs.
Yeah.
What about this setup? Jesus Christ.
This is A7R3, 1635 f4, and
It's heavy.
Pro Plus, and a Joby 5K tripod
Oh boy, why do you always carry 2 cameras with you?
for cinematic shots and for vlog.
Oh, so that's why you have
Some days they
taken.
don't allow the big cameras, so the small, and we got a GoPro back in there.
Guys, we've been sitting at this hotel for the past 30 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
30 minutes.
And
I
I
feel
was
bad for Yusuf bhai. We were taking intro and we forgot about the car. Alright.
Where is the car, may I know?
It's the Range Rover they have over there.
Okay.
What do you think of the car? What do you think about the car?
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
That was not the reaction I was expecting.
That's good.
You see a car behind that Range Rover?
It's a S-Class.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think about that, huh?
That's super amazing luxury car. Is that the surprise or the Range Rover?
No, this is the surprise. This is the brand new 2020.
Seriously?
Yeah,
This is a surprise.
this is the surprise. It comes with the driver as well. He's going to
my
show
God.
us around. Come on, just take a look at the interior. Open the door. What do you think, huh? It comes with 2 water bottles as well.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright guys, so right now you guys might be wondering what are the specifications of this Mercedes S450 Formatic.
Yeah.
This car is having a 3-liter twin turbo V6 engine that produces around 362 horsepower.
Yeah.
That's pretty quick. This car weighs around 2,100 kilograms. And Yadu, right now I want you to talk about the features of this car.
Okay. So here you get 4 buttons. Left button is used for the mirror left to do it down and the sunshade as well. So
Oh damn.
yeah.
Okay. And we got the glasses as well. Alright.
And this is for the right and this is for the sunroof
Sunroof, alright.
and this is for the back shade.
Back shade, alright.
Yeah.
That's nice, that's nice. And that's pretty much it. And we have even have a
And
wireless
the AC
charging.
vents as well. So this is a dual climate zone and here you can control the fan speed, the climate temperature because this is a dual climate zone. Also you can control where you want the air on your legs or something. And you
Alright.
have 4 AC vents at the back here, 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 and also you have
Alright.
the perforated AC seats in the car, which means you have small pores in the seat
Alright.
through which the air comes, and also
And it's perforated.
yeah, it's perforated, and also it's having the ambient lighting which looks best in the night.
Guys, yeah, I forgot to say that we even have mirrors over here. And Yadu,
Yeah,
the main question. Do you like my surprise?
I liked it so much. Thank you.
Okay, so on
And
that.
also guys, if this was a surprise by him, I would also like to surprise him with a supercar because whenever I come Dubai, I rent supercars as you guys know.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is a very big day for me, and day after tomorrow be, and after that also. So 3
Alright,
days I'll be renting
alright.
3 cars.
Okay. Okay, I'm excited. Oh my god, guys, just take a look at this view. Right now, we just came to Burj Al Arab. We also have a classic Rolls Royce as well. Oh, just take a look at that. It's I'm pretty sure this car is modified and it's imported. Jesus, it's having a golden spirit of ecstasy. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Huge shout out to Yusuf bhai. He's been such an amazing guy. Like we were in this car for 3 hours. And we went to a lot of places. There, JBR, Hobart, a lot of places. And the main question, did you like the car?
Yeah,
How was the
absolutely.
surprise?
Amazing. मतलब यार क्या बोलूँ? No words for it.
That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you guys want more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video. Till then, it's your boy Ryan signing out. Bye. If you take a look at the number plate, you guys can see the L sign. L stands for limousine. Almost all the chauffeur service cars have L number plate. So in that way, you can understand that it's a chauffeur car.